So apparently the best way to enjoy the truck and car culture is to ruin it for everybody. Let me explain. Every weekend there's a new viral video of some meet where guys are doing burnouts, racing through lots, trashing the place, and getting the cops called on them. And it's fun for about 4 seconds until someone gets hurt, until the property owner calls the city, or until us truck guys and car guys who just want to enjoy the car community can't find a place to actually go to do so because all venues have banned meets permanently. Here's what people don't get. When you trash someone's lot at a meet and send cops on a chase at a meet, you're not only burning bridges with that person, but you're handing local officials ammunition to cancel the car culture after they already want to. They don't just see your truck, they see all of us as a whole, and now we all get affected by it. I love my truck, I love the car community as a whole, but why can't we just wait until we get to a track or until we get to an actual legalized meet, but instead we have to go ruin it for everybody else just to have fun that one night? Set up a legalized meet and invite everybody, because everyone would have a blast. It doesn't have to be illegal to be fun, so make it like that. Drop a comment below and let me know if people have had illegal meets in your area and if it's affected y'all, because I really want to know and we can talk about it.